Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to sew a quilted backpack. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this tutorial you will need a quilted fabric, a light fabric for the lining, a 57 cm long zipper and a 29 cm long zipper, two 3 cm wide sliding buckles, one strap 3 cm wide and 2.75 cm long, two pieces of elastic 8 mm wide and 14 cm long. Print and cut the pattern pieces. Fold the outer fabric and cut the pattern pieces as shown on the cutting diagram in the instruction PDF. Before removing the patterns, transfer the important markings on the fabrics. Cut the lining pieces in the same way as for the outer fabric. Fold the lining pocket in half wrong side on wrong side and top stitch the top 5 mm from the edge. Place the pocket on the face of the bag lining and top stitch the 3 sides 5 mm from the edge. Grab the two lining pieces of the upper perimeter of the bag, make marks 1 cm from one of the long sides of the pieces, iron to the back. Place each side of the upper perimeter on the lower perimeter right sides together and stitch the short sides 1 cm from the edge. Press the seams downwards. Mark the middles of the bag faces lining and those of the perimeter. Place one side of the perimeter on one face of the bag, right sides together matching the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Place the second side of the perimeter on the second face, right sides together matching the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Clip around the rounded edges of the bag. Flip the lining right side out. Place the side pocket linings on the outer fabric right sides together and stitch the top and bottom 1 cm from the edge. Flip the pieces right side out. Top stitch 5 mm from the edge and stitch 1 cm from the top stitch. Using a cord threader, pass the elastic through the resulting runner, pin the ends of the elastic on either side of the runner and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Place the side pockets on the bottom perimeter of the bag, wrong side on right side, placing the base of the pocket on the perimeter mark. Stitch the 3 sides of each pocket 5 mm from the edge. Take the 2 pieces of the outer fabric top perimeter and the 57 long zipper. Mark the centers of the zipper and the perimeter pieces. Place one side of the perimeter on one side of the zipper, right sides together matching the middles. Place the second side of the perimeter on the second side of the zipper, right sides together matching the middles. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge. Flip the pieces to the right side and top stitch 5 mm from the edge. Trim off the excess zipper. Using a pair of pliers, remove the zipper teeth 1 cm from each side. Place the top perimeter on the bottom perimeter right sides together and stitch each end 1 cm from the edge. Place one end of the 27 cm zipper between the top and its lining right sides together well in the middle and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do the same with the second end. Flip the tops right side out and top stitch 5 mm from the edge. Take the lower parts of the face and the lining fabric of the pocket. Mark the center of the zipper and the fabric pieces. Place the zipper on the top edge of the face right sides together, then place one end of the pocket fabric right sides together over it, and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Flip right side out and top stitch 5 mm from the edge. Fold the pocket fabric over the back of the zipper right side on wrong side. On the right side, place the top face piece over the bottom face piece right sides together, pin and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Flip right side out and top stitch 5 mm from the edge. Cut a piece of webbing 25 cm long and 2 pieces 1 meter long each. Fold the 25 cm piece of webbing in half and place each end on either side of the top center of the back face, right sides together. Place the 1 meter long strap on either side of the 25 cm long strap, then stitch 5 mm from the edge. Cut 2 25 cm long pieces of webbing. Pass each strap through a sliding buckle, then fold the strap in half. Place the strap over the middle of the triangle of the bag stub, right sides together, from the tip of the triangle to the back. Fold the triangle in half right sides together and stitch the back side 1 cm from the edge. Flip the tabs right side out, pulling on the webbing. Trim off any excess fabric. Place the tabs on their location on either side of the back face, right sides together, and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Pass the free sides of the straps through the sliding buckles. Fold the ends over 2 cm and stitch in the middle. Mark the middles of the bag's perimeter and faces. Place the perimeter on the bag face right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Open the zipper and place the second face on the second side of the perimeter. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Slide the bag into the lining wrong sides together, center the faces and sides. Attach the lining to the outer fabric using an invisible stitch. Flip the bag right side out. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media. All of the links are in the description under the video.